Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to start Blender 3D design software, open source, so it's free in any platform, Windows, Mac and Linux, and I'm going to show you the basic way around insert elements, rotate it, etc. This one is the Blender icon, so I'm going to start Blender. You can download from Blender website, free in any platform. So you've got this screen at the beginning, click outside, and you've got a cube. Okay. To remove this cube or to any element on the screen, you can press X or right click, and then you have delete, which is the X. If I press X on the keyboard, I have to accept deleted this element. If I want to add any element, I can click on Add, Mesh, or any element, but we start with Mesh, and then the primitive figure, plane, cube, circle, spheres, cylinder, etc. And the monkey, which is the icon of the Blender app. So I'm going to start, for example, with the monkey, and I've got here the monkey. To rotate it, I can go with the mouse in this area, click and hold, and then I can rotate my element on the scene. I can also do it with holding the wheel on the mouse and then rotate it. If I want to zoom, I can use the wheel up and down, or I can click and hold this magnifier and then up or down to make it bigger or smaller. If I need to move this element to one side or another, up and down, for example, I can click and hold the hand and do the same, up, down, left, or right. Or I can hold Shift and hold the wheel in the mouse and do exactly the same. Let's say, for example, I want to add another element in here. I'm going to rotate a little bit so I can see front face, and then I'm going to add mesh, and I'm going to add a cylinder. Sorry, I'm going to remove the cylinder with X and delete, because what I want to add actually is a cone. And then I want the cone on top of the head, so I need to move it. To move the cone, I've got here as tool, and then this is move one. I click on that one, and I can move this to the right, or to the left in the X coordinates, to the top and down, or if I move this here, I can move it in that position. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to move it to the top, go to the front face, rotate it, and see if this is on the right position. If it's on the right position, I'll leave it there. If it's not in the right position, I can move it again. I can also make it bigger or smaller, escalating them. So I can click on escalate, or I can press S on the keyboard, make it smaller or bigger. For example, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to move down a little bit, and I can see how this looks like. Okay. If I want to add different elements, for example, I want to create a snowman, I can add the elements like UV sphere. Then I'm going to move this to the side, and then if I want to create more, I can create more, or I can duplicate it. So if I want to duplicate, I can right click and duplicate, or the easiest way to do it is Ctrl D, and then I can move this around, and when I click, this is done. So I click on that, escalate it, for example, make it small, and then down, and to see where this in this position, for example. So I'm going to move it to the front, and now I can see that it is here. So I've got already one supposedly arm. I'm going to click in here, duplicate, remember, Shift D to duplicate, and then I can move it to this side, and leave it there. So I've got the two eyes. Okay. If it's not on the right position, I can click again and move it a little bit so I can leave it on the same position. There's obviously better ways to do what I'm doing now, but for a start, this is a quick way to show you how to add elements and move around the Blender scene. I hope this video helps you to understand a little better how to work in Blender.